this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com, and today is November 14th, 2022. It is currently 9:54 a.m. Chicago time. All right, we're going to now talk about coffee. And in this video, I want to draw your attention to what I think right now is a very important period in coffee. It has been depressed for a number of weeks. As you can see on this chart here, it has just been dropping since, looks like 8/24, August 24th. And we've seen it just doing this little number going down here. Let's put the old swing chart lines on there, and you can see it's just a big old lightning bolt going down. Now we're currently in this daily, we're looking at the daily chart, oversold zone. Currently, the very bottom low was put in last Thursday, November 10th. It moved up on November 11th. That was Friday. And then this morning, we're pulling back again in coffee. So those who were starting to feel like, hey, maybe this is it. Maybe this is the end of the falling knife in coffee. Might be looking a little depressed today. Oh my, look at that. Coffee is pulling back. Don't let that freak you out, folks. I'm going to tell you that that's actually giving you an opportunity to capitalize on coffee. Now, I will give the disclaimer verbally here that this is not a financial recommendation. This is not financial advice. This is simply my opinion about coffee. Do with that opinion as you like. All right, now that we got all the legalese out of the way, here is what I see going on with coffee. The weekly chart of coffee right here, as you can see, has reached short-term oversold, not major long-term oversold, but I believe that we are looking at a potential weekly swing bottom in the coffee market at this time. In other words, I think that the low that was put in on last Thursday that we just looked at, I think that this is an important low. I believe that it should hold. However, nothing is 100% accurate, so take that with a grain of salt. But my opinion is that we're looking for coffee to start moving up. I think we're going to be forming a bottom here in coffee. There's some indications that a bottoming should be occurring at this time. I've plotted my cycles. I have a chart here. Let me see if I can bring this up. It's up on another screen. I'll slide it over here in a second once I locate it. And let's see, we want coffee. That would be KC in the Sunshine Band right there. Let's bring that up. There we go. All right. How nice of it to just pop up on the screen for us. Okay, so right here, we are looking at the cycle pattern for the coffee market. And as you can see here, we're looking at the short term and the intermediate term, which would be the blue envelope here. We're looking for them, both are starting to curl up. So the short term and the intermediate term appear to be looking bullish, which means that this supports the analysis that I have done on this market. Now, if I go over to the weekly again, I'm going to pull up my F dates. You can see right here this red diamond. This is an F date. This is a weekly turn date indicator. It has a high probability, not 100%, but a very high probability of being accurate to within one price bar. So right now, this time period right here within one price bar, but this is currently the low right here, the weekly low. To make a weekly swing bottom, that's what a weekly swing bottom looks like. That's what a weekly swing bottom looks like. That's what a weekly swing bottom looks like. All right. Now, weekly swing bottoms also look like that little thing right there. It confirmed as a weekly swing bottom, but only lasted 1 week. And then, so you got to be mindful that they don't all look as long-term pretty as these right here. And that's why it doesn't show up on the 2-bar swing, but it will show up on a 1-bar swing. You see that? All right. So that is what we're looking at for here. So at the very least, of course, 1 bar, that would give you, the next couple of weeks of upside action in coffee. But I suspect that we're looking at a lot longer than just 1 week. All right, we're looking for something more to move into December. As far as trading and all that, I have to leave that up to you. I'm just giving you my forecast here. You can see that the daily F date, we have a daily F date right here. So it can definitely be referring to this swing top that just confirmed today, 1111, or it could be just this one right here on time. I don't really care either way. We're looking at right now for coffee to move higher, and when it moves up, it can possibly start to pull back down to 1118. So we have another significant turn date on 1118. We can see right here, this one says 1121, which is 1 day of 1118. So these are cycle turns, 1115, 1118. You can put those in your notes. But right now, looking for that basing to happen here. Start looking for coffee to start moving up. So that's the opportunity that is available in coffee futures. All right, well, I think that just about wraps it up here. Don't have anything else to add. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be informed in a timely manner when I upload videos like this one. And thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, please, to help me out with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.